K. So, alright, that didn't come out right. I want to style my hair. Don't be deceived by this wig, actually. Do not be deceived. Like, I look horrible.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
One, the first layer of lies. Second layer of lies. Now look at me, I'm shy. Anyway, I want to style my hair. Like, I've been losing this hair for like 3 days, 2 days. So we're gonna start with these ones. I'm not washing my hair because like I washed it with towels in it, so don't blame me. I lack etiquette. Okay. I also need to play a movie as I'm busy because like I can't. Can you shut the fuck? Corrective leave-in conditioner for weak and dry hair. It's that time of the year again. We don't care if it's straight though, but if it's straight, please applaud me. Is it straight? Normally I would straighten it, but I'm beating my head. Like it's quite good. I'm under damage control right now. But that's cotton. Black. It smells nice. Guys, please don't use your back to remove your hair. No, I care. I've been too disappointed recently to care. So, let's just pack this one very tight. As tight as you possibly can. Just leave it there. It's so nice. What am I doing to my back head? I'm not doing to other parts of my head.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice.
Bunch of kinky hair. I cut this stuff out of face mask. Don't just blame my desperate measures. Desperate measures calls for desperate solutions. Is that the way they say it? I don't know. Desperate measures calls for desperate action. So I tied it around the hair. Let's just remove this one. It seems like it's making the work look. I tied it around the hair. Now I'm going ahead to like make like a rubber like tie here too. Got like bruv. Now let us band the hair. I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully you can see.
More than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how
You see? See? Go out like this, who will know? I'm going to show our first one around. The remaining will not stay in one place because like they don't have morals. So use your hand and hold this into place.
right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, down, wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Hey, sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers there. I'm already on my way, on my way.
So now let's just get a bobby pin and secure that because like I felt allow. Don't want to be walking on the road and then somebody with no manners. You're surprised at what they can do. Be like, oh my god, is that your real hair? Are you possessed? Omo, daddy, you're gonna take me to the salon. Be like, oh my god, you ripped off my edges. I can't even act. I'm about to take over. Oh, my edges. Then more gel. Let's put more gel before edge control. If you're in Nigeria, this edge control is quite popular. I don't know, there's no name. Hair wax, make your hair shine. That's what they said. Is it making my hair shine? Let's see about it. Shh. After now, we're gonna do makeup.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
I'm going to pay me because like doing my edges on camera is not going to happen. Like in front of like the right in front of the camera. Like please, how would you expect me to see? How am I supposed to see? This is another counting. You guys, I know my face is rough, so mind your business. Mind your business. So let's start with the back, because the back needs the grace of God. After my makeup will come to decorate the hair. We want to try to get all the edges in one place, because like we live for that. Oh. Another one on the top. Like they said, some people come and attack me now and say I should use silk scarf for natural hair. Please, do you, my dear? But this is what I have. If you like me, you can send me silk scarf. If you don't like me, shh. I'm so sorry, I'm just rude. I'm just plain rude. So guys, thank you for coming to my podcast. You can come. Okay, you guys are still here. I'm so sorry. So sorry for keeping you waiting. I beg, no vex. No vex. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. So how do you think? How do I look? How's the glow up? Did you enjoy this video? Let me know if you'd like to see more of me. You know. Anyway, subscribe for more. Okay? Love you. Bye. 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 Go on for other videos if you miss my face. Bye bye. So wait. This is after oh gosh, I forgot to do the other video. Anyway, this is after like I have taken off my clothes. I haven't wiped off my makeup obviously, but you guys, if you like want the makeup tutorial, you're going to watch another video, because I know you will not click a 30 minutes video, so I'll just put it in another one. Okay, go and watch it.